What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Shelly, and today we will be talking about brows once again, but this time I will be teaching you guys how I fill in my brows when I do my makeup, because I get a lot of questions. And well, here you go. So I wanted to put in a video. I actually had an older video, but I deleted it because I didn't like it. That's when I first started this channel. Anyway, so boom, we're going to get into this tutorial. So let's get a little bit closer, get a little bit more comfier. Stay a little while. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing. My hair grows back in 2.5 seconds no matter how much I wax. So first things first, I have to pluck these tiny little hairs that are beginning to grow back, because literally I'm Chewbacca in human form. So if you have to do that, girl, then go on ahead. We gonna wait. So next we're going to go in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I love this. I am a pencil and powder type of girl. You will never see me use any gel or dip pomade. I hate those. I feel like they are way too harsh. I feel like it's just one false move and then you have angry bird eyebrows. I said what I said. Anyway, so for me, I'm going to do the same method that I used in my wax video. I explained it over there. I will link it up above. For those who have not seen that video yet, please go check it out and then come back to this video. But this is the same type of technique that I always use for when I wax my eyebrows, and also when I stencil out my eyebrows when I draw them in. Also, my eyebrow shape is custom to my eye shape. I wasn't going to say this, but I will just throw it out there anyway. Everybody's eyebrow shape and length will differ. So once I get those 3 points of reference for my eyebrows, I lightly start drawing a line underneath my eyebrow, and I'm just following my natural shape of my eyebrow. If you guys do not have a actual shape of your eyebrow, this would be a good time to start waxing or tweezing your eyebrows to put them in the shape. Thankfully, my eyebrows have came a long way since I had a bad experience with not waxing, but a razor at a barber event I went to a really long time ago. And my eyebrows really grew into shape finally, so it's not really hard for me to draw my eyebrow shape when I do fill them in. So right now I'm going to just follow those 3 points of references, and my arch will be where my tail will end and where I will connect both the top and bottom lines that I created on my eyebrows. And if this is your first time filling in your own eyebrows while following this tutorial, don't be afraid to make mistakes, y'all, because we're going to go right in with concealer just to clean everything up. So if you make your eyebrows a little too thick, or you make something a little too pointed, like now I'm looking at my one arch and it's a little too squared for me, don't worry. We're going to be going in with some concealer to clean this all up right after this, so don't you worry your pretty little head. Concealer is your friend, girl. So once again, just to reiterate, I don't use pomades, I use powders, and we are using the Anastasia Duo Brow Powder, and this is in the color Ebony, and I like to use the one that's on the left versus the one that's on the right. So this is what I use to fill in my eyebrows, because as you can see, I do have a lot of thicker hairs, but it is kind of sparse in certain areas that I'm still continuing to grow hair back in. So right now, I'm just simply filling in my eyebrows. Usually, I like to have the tips or the tails of my eyebrows very dark. And as we get closer to the head or the beginning of my eyebrow, we would like to transition and make the eyebrow a little bit more feathered. And I'm using my Morphe 518 brush, and I love this brush a whole lot. I actually like it better than the Anastasia brush that's like this. Also, I am using hair-like strokes in the same direction of my hairs on my eyebrow, so that helps a lot too. As I get closer to the beginning of my eyebrow, you will see I'll switch back to my Brow Wiz, and I'll still be using that same hair-like strokes. Do not, I repeat, matter of fact, is this thing on? Hello? Do not fill in your entire eyebrow, okay? We do not want to go out looking like Angry Bird eyebrows. Don't fill your entire eyebrow in. Make sure it transitions very, very gracefully, and you will have a nice, naturally filled in eyebrow. Okay, so now we are going to go in with some good old concealer and a flat-headed brush. So right now I'm just using my good old LA Girl Fawn Concealer. That's closest thing to my skin tone right now. And we're just going to be cleaning up our eyebrows. Pretty self-explanatory. So you're just going to follow along that line you already made with your brow product, and just clean up whatever you feel is necessary. So I will talk to you guys when we get to the next part of this section, and just throw on some music for you. forgot to mention, this is a really old Sephora brush. I don't even know what the number is because it rubbed off. That's how long I had it since I started doing makeup. So yeah, so I just used it to kind of buff out that concealer and blend it in a little bit more into my skin after I go through and clean everything up. Alright, so this part is totally optional. You can stop here if you want to, but for me, I've learned that I don't like the way my eyebrows look in the front because my eyebrows are weird. Like, they just lay on the side naturally like that, which I don't like. And it makes me look like I'm bald-headed in my eyebrows. Like, and that really hurts my feelings. So we have to change that. I like my eyebrows to stand straight up like some people do that are really lucky in this world, but mine don't do that, so I have to force mine to stand up. And I've tried everything. I've tried the soaps, I've tried the brow gels, I've tried everything. This product is literally the only product that makes my hair stand completely up for hours on end, no matter if I sweat, no matter what the weather's like. My brow hairs stay in place. A little got to be gel I got from Walmart, and I've literally had this thing for 1,001 years because I literally only use it for my eyebrows. So it lasts you a really long time if you go to pick this up. And literally all I use is a little dab of it in the front of my eyebrows where I want my hair to stand up. And as you can see, my hair is a little bit long right there, so why not trim it? Because that's just, this wouldn't be a tutorial from me if I wasn't doing anything like that. And boom, there you go. Nice, naturally filled eyebrow. So we are just going to continue what we just did on the one eyebrow to the other. I'm just throwing some music for you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So that's it for this video, you guys. Make sure you like and leave a comment down below if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!